Let's have a look at the weather. We're joined by our chief meteorologist at Sky News, Tom Saunders. Tom, now ex-tropical cyclone Penny, she's been hovering off the coast for some time. What is the situation with her at the moment? I believe the winds are going to die down.
Yeah, the winds have dropped back, so the warning for damaging winds has been cancelled. So the main feature is heavy rain. There's Hamilton Island yesterday as the system was approaching, looking quite cloudy, and they did have gusts over 80 kilometres per hour. That's not strong enough to cause damage though. But here's the radar just over the past few hours. Now, heavy rain extends well south of the system. So you can see the circulation here just off the coast of Proserpine. We've got heavy rain all the way down to the Capricornia. Rockhampton's picked up more than 10 millimetres in the last 1 hour, for example. And St Lawrence, over 140 millimetres since 9 a.m. yesterday. That's their heaviest fall in 2 years. Here's the forecast rain today. Heavy falls for the Capricornia, the Central Coast, the Eastern Central Highlands. And then overnight tonight, as the remnants of Penny move north, we'll see heavy rain spreading up through the lower Burdekin area, including Townsville. Severe weather warning is current for flash flooding. For today, it's the area from Bowen down to Yeppoon, up to 180 millimetres possible in a 6-hour period. And then overnight, the risk of flash flooding extends up towards Townsville. Also, there is the risk of river flooding from this weather system. Flood watch right now goes from Gladstone all the way up to Cape Tribulation.
Now, a storm outbreak, does that continue for parts of New South Wales, Tom? We had some suspensions at the Sydney International yesterday. What's going to be the situation for, well, Sydney and parts of New South Wales today?
Janie, I can tell you're very concerned about watching some tennis today. There is the risk of showers in Sydney. Probably not going to get severe storms in Sydney, though. Dust storms yesterday, though, in Young. So many towns in western New South Wales have picked up dust storms through this week due to these thunderstorms. Now, here is the forecast rainfall for today then. So we're expecting storms, but not as widespread compared to the last couple of days. They'll mostly be around the central ranges, the central west, with the odd storm up through the northwest. For these coastal areas, the forecast rain we're seeing here is mostly showers, but without the thunderstorms. So for Sydney, there is the chance of a storm today. If it's severe, most likely in the far western suburbs, but it's really not that likely for Sydney that we'll see severe weather. Southerly change coming through 25. That change has just hit Ulladulla, so it will hit Sydney this morning and then the Hunter this afternoon. Canberra, a top of 30 degrees there, with the chance of an afternoon or an evening shower. Dry for the southern coastline. Townsville, a high chance of showers and storms, but your heaviest rain will come tomorrow. Today, the heaviest rain will be further south around Mackay and also Rockhampton.
Well, I hope it's good news for those expecting the rain in Queensland with ex-tropical cyclone Penny. Thank you, Tom.